Here is Shuli Company's shisha charcoal press machine. Today we will test our stainless steel press machine to make round-shape shisha charcoal, which is popular in the market. This machine is fully automatic with PLC control system. Languages can be designed according to your local. Our company is working on charcoal machines for many years. We are always focusing on machines' utility for customer. This type of machine can ensure precise shape of charcoal and easy operation with less maintenance cost, longer lifetime. Machine with high pressure will increase charcoal's density, especially for small size charcoal, like shisha charcoal. After pressing by our machine, the forming effect of shisha charcoal is very good and smooth, not easy broken. Today the mold we testing is round shape with further 1x56 pieces. We can also make the letter on the charcoal, like popular letter A. For this machine, we have exported to Oman, Saudi Arabia, Morocco, Guinea, Sudan, Nigeria, Uganda, Argentina, etc. According to our hardness testing in the video, the final product is totally compatible with good shape. Diameter is 33 mm, thickness is 13 mm. The shape and size can be customized as your requirement. If you want to make good quality shisha charcoal, you can find us and leave your contact. Detailed proposal will be provided.